Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to set up your Huobi Exchange account. First, open up huobi.com. Top right corner, click Register. Now, enter your email and set a password, then press Register. To verify you're not a robot, click Verify and slide the piece into its position. Now, enter the verification code that was sent to your email. Now, click on the Huobi icon and you have successfully set up your Huobi Exchange account. Now we're going to learn how to ID verify yourself on Huobi. First, click on the small icon on the top left corner. Exit the security warning page, and you'll see a little box that says Basic Verification. Click on Basic Verification, and click Personal Verification Verify Now. There are 4 levels of verifications. We will just stick with the L1 verification only, since many people will not be trading more than 5 BTC per day. Click Verify Now and enter the information below. Your L1 verification is now complete.